Contact shot. Hole of the discharge containing flame, gases, powder, smoke, and metallic particles will be borne under pressure into the track taken by the bullet through the body, often leaving a little evidence as one is dealing with a contact wound. In case of a contact over forehead or mastoid region, head where the bone is thick, entry wound will be larger, irregular, stellate, or cruciform shaped, having everted margin because of expansion of gas between the skull and the scalp. Back spatter may be seen. In contact wound of the trunk, stellate cruciform entry wound usually do not occur. Because the gas is able to expel into the abdominal or chest cavity or soft tissue. Contact wound over abdomen will show cavitation because of a blast effect. There is little evidence or no evidence of burning, singeing, blackening, and tattooing. Muscle impression may be present around the wound. Muscles around the track taken by bullet will be cherry red color due to presence of carbon monoxide. CO. Burning, blackening, powder grains deposit will be found in depth of the wound. Examination of the wound with a dissecting microscope is of value. Hair nearby get burned or clubbed by fire or a heat. Thank you.